What's the meaning of car boot sale? Car boot sale. Car boot sale.
Car boot sale. Car boot sale. A car boot sale is a type of market where people sell unwanted items from the trunk, or boot, of their cars. Typically held in parking lots or fields, car boot sales are popular in many countries as a way for individuals to declutter their homes and make some extra cash. Shoppers can find a wide variety of used goods at these sales, including clothing, home decor, electronics, toys, and more. Bargain hunters enjoy the opportunity to haggle over prices and score deals on unique treasures.